Because we're going to go back to his hometown. All right? We're going to bring it back to the States, to a little spot known as New York. Anybody been to New York? Yeah? Okay. I see y'all. Now this genre of music that we're about to cover was developed in the early 1970s, right? The godfather known as DJ Kool Herc brought it to the forefront. This is my favorite genre of music. This is Z's favorite genre of music. And it's a genre of music that starts with the letter H. Who knows what that is? Say it loud. It's hip-hop. Alright, y'all, so look, I need y'all's help. I need for y'all to point out at the teachers that y'all want to see come up here and rock with me. Point them out. Point them out. I need three of y'all on each side. So, three over here, let's go. Oh, yeah. I know we're party up in this bitch. Let's show how you get to the head. Baby, baby, to the head. Walking to the stop, walking to the head, baby. Say I'm just leaving the motherfucking beat. Now what you wearing out of the test? I'm rocking to the beat. I said beat, the beat. Yeah, your teacher's gonna make y'all see y'all big. Now the one eternal when I like to say hello. Hey, to the black, to the white, red in the brown, purple, man, yellow, but first we gotta bang, bang. Walking to the boogie, to the jungle, boogie, to the bang, bang, boogie, let's ride. You don't stop, now I'm about to make your body rock. So when I say hip, y'all say hop, hip, hop, hip, hop. When I say don't, y'all say stop, don't stop, don't stop. When I say hip, y'all say hop, hip, hop, hip, hop. When I say don't, y'all say stop, don't. We done, y'all. Amazing. Thank you so much. That was absolutely how you lead by example. Yeah. Alright now. This is our grand finale. We're gonna bring it all together, right? We're gonna bring the hip hop, we're gonna bring the jazz, we're gonna bring the spiritual, we're gonna bring the reggae, right? We're gonna bring the call and response, we're gonna bring the storytelling and the improvisation, right? And a little ditty and a grand finale we like to call Freedom. Mark, tell them how it's gonna go.
We got a call and response, it goes like this. We don't got time to spare, so everybody put your fists in the air and say freedom. We don't got time to spare, so everybody put your fists in the air and say,
hey, we don't got time to spare, so everybody put your fists in the air and say, we don't got time to spare, so now 1, 2, 3, just rockin' the beat, ha, just rockin' the beat, ha, just rockin' the beat, ha, 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 just rockin' the beat, ha, just rockin' the beat, yeah, come on, we don't got time to spare, so everybody put your fists in the air and say, rated to the point of this 6 degrees. That's not the range you go. 6 degrees, do whatever you want to go. Have a time to purify your mind. Don't bring it up right here. One time, bring it up. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, 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 come on. You don't got time to stress. Everybody put your fist in the air and say, well, we got to get out of the conversation. Bump PC. Take it away. Just take it away. Oh, man, come on. Come on, 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 go Pete, go Pete, go Pete, go Pete, come on. What? Go see, go see, go see, go see. Come on, okay, so to the people, it's time. Okay, y'all, another song on the spot, y'all ready? Repeat, right, after me, say, I wanna be me.
I wanna be me.
Say, I wanna be free. Say, I wanna be free. Say, I wanna be free. Freedom! Go, 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 go. Put your hands up. Go, 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 go. Hey, we don't got time to stress. Everybody put your fist in the air and say, yeah. Keep those fists up. Keep those fists up in the air. That's what I'm talking about. And you had a good time with us today. Let me hear you say, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all are too cool. We love you guys. Thank you so much for allowing us to come into your home and rock out with y'all. We want to give special shout outs and thank you to the United Arts Council. That's number one. To the PTA and staff that came up here and rocked with us. Right? We appreciate y'all coming out here. We are the example for the kids. And of course, last but not least, special shout out to all of you for bringing that energy because we finished all the way up here. Give it up for yourself. So we hope you guys enjoyed it. Enjoy the rest of your. We love y'all and until next time.